Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best VIGO shower doors available on the market today. I made this list based on design, quality, durability, customer appeal, installation flexibility, and overall value. VIGO is known for modern bathroom products that combine premium materials, clean lines, and long-lasting performance. If you want more information or updated pricing, you can check the links in the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more bathroom product reviews and design inspiration. Okay, let's get started. At number 5, we have the VIGO Luca Frameless Bathtub Shower Door. This is a great option if you want to upgrade a standard bathtub area with a cleaner, more modern look. The frameless glass design instantly makes the bathroom feel more open, while the strong tempered glass adds durability and safety. Its sleek hardware brings a polished, contemporary finish that works well with many bathroom styles. This door is ideal for bathrooms where you want a simple upgrade without making the space feel heavy or closed off. The clean glass panels help highlight tile, fixtures, and the overall bathroom design. If you're looking for a refined bathtub door that feels stylish but still practical, this VIGO option is a strong choice. It offers a timeless look, smooth function, and a more elevated alternative to a traditional shower curtain. At number 4, we have the VIGO Satro Semi-Frameless Sliding Shower Door. This door is perfect for anyone who wants a balance between structure, style, and everyday convenience. The sliding design is especially useful for bathrooms where a swinging door may not be the best fit. It gives the shower area a clean architectural look while helping save space. The tempered glass panels feel substantial and durable, while the metal frame details add stability and visual definition. This type of door works beautifully in both modern and transitional bathrooms. The finish options allow you to coordinate the door with your faucets, shower system, towel bars, and other bathroom accessories. It is a great choice if you want something sleek, functional, and easy to style. The semi-frameless design keeps the bathroom feeling open while still giving the shower door a strong, finished appearance. At number 3, we have the VIGO Paloma Bypass Sliding Shower Door. This is one of the most practical options for busy bathrooms because both panels can slide, giving flexible access from either side. The bypass design makes it easy to enter and exit the shower, especially in shared or family bathrooms. Its frameless or minimal frame look helps create a more spacious feel, even in smaller bathrooms. The glass panels are designed to deliver a clean, upscale appearance while standing up to daily use. VIGO shower doors are also known for their solid hardware, which gives the door a smoother and more reliable feel. This model is a great fit if you want a door that feels modern, functional, and not overly complicated. The sliding movement keeps the layout efficient and helps maximize the usable space around the shower. It is a strong option for homeowners who want a clean bathroom upgrade with a spa-inspired look. At number 2, we have the VIGO Elan E-Class Frameless Sliding Shower Door. This door has a bold, modern design that can instantly become the focal point of the bathroom. The frameless glass creates a bright and open look, allowing the tile and shower fixtures to stand out. Its smooth sliding system adds convenience, while the exposed hardware gives the door a premium architectural feel. This is a great choice for anyone who wants a luxury, hotel-style shower at home. The clean design pairs beautifully with matte black, brushed nickel, chrome, or gold bathroom finishes. It works especially well in bathrooms with statement tile, stone textures, or minimalist design. The overall look is modern, elegant, and highly versatile. If you want a shower door that feels both functional and designer-driven, this VIGO frameless sliding door is definitely worth considering. And finally, at number 1, we have the VIGO Elan Frameless Sliding Shower Door. This is one of VIGO's most recognized shower door designs, known for its clean glass panels and statement rolling hardware. The Elan gives the bathroom a high-end, spa-like appearance while still being practical for everyday use. Its frameless style helps the room feel larger, brighter, and more open. The smooth sliding operation makes it comfortable to use, while the premium hardware adds strength and style. This door is especially popular because it combines modern design with a very polished, finished look. Whether your bathroom style is contemporary, industrial, transitional, or minimal, the VIGO Elan can fit beautifully. It is a great option for anyone who wants a shower door that feels durable, elegant, and visually impressive. From the glass to the hardware, the design feels intentional and elevated. That's why the VIGO Elan frameless sliding shower door takes the #1 spot on this list. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about VIGO shower doors, leave them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.